Leamington, where all the birds in the whole of Warwickshire come to see us. Yeah, all the pigeons. Or, one of the red ones is very nice, so I won't say it. You know, Britain, the Queen owns all the swans. So if we kill the swan, we have the Queen on us. Yeah. So the Queen owns them all. Look at that one. Jess? See Jess?
Stop doing brilliantly, you ass right!
The duckling! Look at the duckling, Jess! Where is it? Where is it? Oh, it's so beautiful. Oh, I want to see the duckling. Duckling! Where is it? And another one, there. Oh. The swans are getting close. I don't care. Look at the swans. I want to see the duckling. Because they're getting... They're coming back, so you might get you in. Jonathan. Yeah, go ahead. Sorry. Look, the duckling. It's so cute. It's getting picked on. We're trying to feed it.
We fed the duckling!
We fed the duckling. In theory.
Now we're going to try and hit a swan. And we can feed it.
Yeah. Got it. Oh, look, there's duckling. Do you want it? You want it? You want it? Oh, look at it! What's it? What's it? Do you want it? Want it? Want it? Want it? Want it? Go! There's a fuss on it! There's a duckling! Ready? Want it? Want it? Want it? Oh, yes, the duckling got it! The duckling got it! Look! Andy, the duckling got it! Note how it's running away and it's getting chased.
Did you see that swan?
Oh, it's biting his tail!
Look, 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 it's so game for it. Ready? Right, come on. Ugh. Get some more bread. Right, you ready? Go. Up, 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 up. There you go. Circus animals. It's Angie! It's Angie! Doing amazing. Do you want some bread? Yes, you do! No, I don't want bread! Yes, you do!
I like this duck.
You like that one?
Such a cool duck.
Yeah, like that duck.
We'll feed that duck for you then. Make it nice and fat.
Get your ass off my face, you stupid pigeon!
You actually hit the pigeons for their food.
Look! There's a pigeon with food on it! Look! There!